I bought 8 robot vacuums, from $349 to $1,499. First up, the Eufy X10 Pro Omni, usually around $499. This is the budget flagship. Its dock self-empties the bin, washes and dries the mop pads, and refills the water tank on its own, which normally costs way more. 8,000 pascals of suction handled crumbs and pet hair without issue. My one gripe, it hesitated at a bath mat, treating it like an obstacle to avoid instead of just cleaning it. Still, for the price, this is one of the best value picks here. The Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 runs anywhere from $349 to $449 depending on the sale. It uses a matrix clean grid pattern, taking multiple passes so it doesn't miss spots, and its sonic mop scrubs 100 times a minute. The catch, it's loud, noticeably louder than everything else on this table, so I wouldn't run it during a work call. If budget is your main concern, though, this is a strong pick. The Roomba Combo J9 Plus usually sells around $999, down from a $1,399 list price. Its clean base doesn't just empty the bin, it refills the mop's water tank too, and the mop physically lifts off the floor the second it senses carpet, so you never get soggy rugs. The downside, you still have to wash the mop pad yourself, since the dock doesn't clean it. For a brand name you trust with strong suction, it's solid, just not the most hands-off option here. The NARWAL Flow 2 is the priciest one here, around $1,099 to $1,299. Its dual AI cameras don't just avoid obstacles, they actually recognize dropped valuables like keys or a phone and send you a photo alert instead of vacuuming over them. 31,000 pascals suction chewed through embedded pet hair with zero hesitation. This is genuinely impressive tech, but at this price, it's a hard sell unless you want the absolute newest thing. Dreame X40 Ultra typically runs about $549, often discounted from $799 or more. Its side brush physically extends to reach wall corners other robots miss, and the mop lifts automatically the moment it hits carpet. 12,000 pascals suction is solid, not class-leading, but the self-cleaning dock washes the mop and washboard with 158-degree water, so it never smells musty. Good mid-tier pick if corners and edges are your biggest pain point. The Dreame L60 Ultra FE sits around $749 to $999. This is the suction champion of the group, up to 30,000 pascals, and its tri-cut brush is genuinely tangle-free. I ran it directly over long hair on purpose and it didn't wrap once. The 212-degree hot water mop wash also handled dried stains better than almost anything else here. If raw cleaning power is your priority, this is the one. The Ecovacs Deebot X12 OmniCyclone is the most expensive robot in this lineup at $1,499. Its FocusJet feature actually detects dried-on stains and pre-sprays them before mopping, and the dock is bagless, so you're not buying replacement bags forever. Mopping performance here was genuinely the best of the group. But honestly, the nearly identical X11 model does almost all of this for about $500 less, so unless you specifically want FocusJet, I'd save the money. Rounding it out, the Roborock S8 Max Ultra, usually $750 to $900. Its flexi-arm side brush physically extends when it detects a corner or gets near furniture legs, which noticeably improved edge cleaning versus the fixed brushes on some other units here. The mop scrubs 4,000 times a minute and handle dried spills well. Reliable all-around performer, not the flashiest, but it just works.